Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video for 2020 and I decided to do a what's in my Balenciaga Hourglass bag since I've been hearing so much about you guys loving the bag and I've been actually using it so much and loving it. Thought why not do a what's in my Balenciaga Hourglass. And if you guys haven't watched the unboxing and the detailed video about this bag, please make sure you guys watch it and let me know what you guys think. So let's go ahead and show you guys what's in this bag. But before I do that, I do want to talk about some updates on how I feel about this bag. Number one, I have been so in love with the size and everyone has been asking me if this is the extra small or the small. This is the small one and I think it's such a perfect size because it's just literally the right size to have everything fit in it and super lightweight. It's not as heavy for a crocodile embossed and I just think it's so perfect and it just goes with everything and I absolutely love it. You can hold it from the handle or wear it crossbody or over your shoulder. It's perfect. But yeah, if you guys haven't watched the detailed one, go watch it now. Anyways, let's continue. I could show you guys literally how much fits in this bag and more. Okay, let's see. What do I have first in this bag? Ooh, got some like lipstick on it. Oh yeah, another thing. It literally like you can wipe off anything from here and no problemo. Probably have some makeup here, but don't mind it. So the first thing I'm going to show is this lipstick palette that I have and it's by Rouge. I'll show you guys the colors and of course, I mean, you can't go wrong with having a lipstick palette in your bag. You never know what color lips you want to do or you want to touch up your lips, you want to change your lipstick, why not? And then I have this Dior Luminizer, my favorite. Let's see, what number is this? It's 05 Nude Luminizer. It's so amazing, you guys. Been so in love. Actually, I need some luminizer right now. I think I'm doing this right. I'm a rookie, guys. Not sure if it's working, but it is so strong. Like literally a little goes a long way. I think you do like some on the nose, maybe. Okay, anyways, moving forward, that's one. Ooh, gotta clean that. Okay, what else is in this bag? A little scrunchie, of course, can't ever go wrong. And of course I had to start my 2020 with a bang with like a sparkly scrunchie. Yeah, probably not the most comfortable, but hey. And then I have my little Immune Plus emergency pack in citrus. I really needed this before the year started because I had that Christmas cold. I don't know why. Right after Christmas, it just sneaked in. Horrible. But I survived and I am here. So yeah. And then I have some lady stuff. We're not going to get into details, but you know, gotta always be prepared. And I carry this card holder with all these cards that I probably shouldn't be using and I'm trying my best not to. New habits. Okay, and another new thing that I've been using, as you guys saw from my unboxing and my giveaway, is this Chanel Le Creme for the hands. It's amazing, honestly. And the applicator is so cool, guys. I don't know. It's really... It's like this. Let me see if I could squeeze it and show you guys. It's so satisfying. Do you guys see? Whoa. Okay. Let's put some on my hands. And it has a nice perfumey smell. It's like floral, I would say. Very nice. And very nourishing for the hands. Okay, moving forward. And then I have this little Dior pouch that holds all these little stuff that I need. Little brush if I'm ever oiling up or I need to set my makeup. Then a little concealer, Makeup Forever coverage. You never know what blemish might come up and you might need to conceal. Then I have the Burt's Bees lip moisturizer, which I use a lot. And then I have NYX, again, lipstick, Le Creme. I absolutely love it. And this one is in Abu Dhabi. my favorite. Really, it's like so inexpensive and perfect for everyday use. Is there anything else in this bag? Oh, there's like a Costco receipt. Yeah, married life. Okay, anything else? Oh, I have my son and I have a Ralph's card because your girl likes her discounts. Anyways, so that's what was in my Balenciaga Hourglass bag. One of my favorite purchases of 2019, which I'll probably carry on to 2020 because I'm so in love with it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was very light and fun, and I'll be trying to do more videos like this. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and make sure to go enter my holiday giveaway on my Instagram, which is at @IamMarinaOden. And I wanted to just say I love you guys, thank you guys, and happy 2020. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.